Introducing the structure of the high-powered magnetic separator, the mag-dry. The Noritake mag-dry consists of the main body, magnet drum, motor, rubber roller, and chute. The stainless steel drum of the magnet drum's outer periphery is rotated by a full drive system motor. The rubber roller rotates with it as well. Dirty coolant is supplied through the rear of the body, and clean coolant is discharged from the side in the front. The particles that adhere to the stainless steel drum are carried forward by its rotation and are dehydrated en route to the chute, which then expels it. The outlet for the clean coolant can be installed on either the left or the right side. It is also possible to change it to the bottom of the body if so desired.